तो आज हम रिव्यू करेंगे यानी रिवाइज करेंगे। आज हम रिवाइज करेंगे किरण का जो सॉल्व पेपर है उसमें से एंसेंट हिस्ट्री का क्वेश्चंस। ओके, ओनली एंसेंट हिस्ट्री का क्वेश्चंस हम आज रिवाइज करेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। हम्पी इन कर्नाटक इज नोन फॉर द कैपिटल ऑफ विजयनगर एम्पायर। Mohenjo-daro in Sindhi means the mound of the dead. The language in which Buddha preached was Pali. Aryabhatta and Kalidasa are in the court of the Gupta Emperor Chandragupta II. Harsha moved his capital from Thaneshwar to Kanauj. Pallava king Narasimha Varman I assumed the title of Vatapi Konda, conqueror of Vatapi, after defeating and slaying the great Chalukyan king Pulakeshin II. The school of Indian art, which is also known as the Greco-Roman Buddhist art, is the Gandhara school. Gautam Buddha belonged to Shaka Ganarajya. The Brihadashwar temple built during the Chola period was located at Thanjavur. The capital of the Mauryan kingdom was located at Pataliputra. Yajurveda deals with the rituals. Brahmi script was used in Ashoka's inscription in the eastern part of his empire. Kharosthi script was used in the northwestern parts of his empire. The Brahmi script was deciphered in 1837 by James Prinsep. The Mehrauli pillar in the complex of Qutub Minar, primarily famous for excellent quality of steel. Facts about Ajanta caves. They are in Maharashtra. They are decorated with Buddhist art. They depict the techniques used in ancient India. They contain paintings of flora and fauna on the ceilings of the caves. Pandyas are the patrons of Sangam literature. Vikramshila University was founded by Dharmapal. Chalukya's temple, Jain temple at Dilbara are situated in Rajasthan. Ajanta Ellora caves are situated near Aurangabad city. Gandhara art is the combination of Indo-Greek. Simuka was the founder of Satvahan Empire. Kabbalah is associated with Jainism. Tripitaka were sacred books of Buddhists. The word Satyamev Jayate have been derived from Mundaka Upanishad. The Upanishads are the source of Hindu philosophy. The people of the Indus Valley civilization worshipped Pashupati. The monolithic rock shrines at Mahabalipuram is known as Rathos. Kujula Cadphises or Cadphises I is believed to be the founder of Kusan dynasty. He was the grandfather of the Kanishka I. Kamrupa is an ancient name of Assam. In Dharmachakra Mudra, Gautam Buddha delivered his first sermon at Sarnath. A collective term used by the Jains for their sacred books is Angaj. The Baji Republic was a confederation of tribes in the 6th century BC. Greek ruler Alexander confronted the army of Porus on the banks of the river Jhelum, river Hydaspes, its previous name, and Ellora was the earliest capital of Rashtrakuta in the time of Danti Durga, founder and first ruler of the dynasty. Later, Amokbarso I made Maniakhet his capital, that remained the Rashtrakuta's regal capital until the end of the empire. The Kusan ruler Kanishka patronized Buddhism. The fourth Buddhist council of Kashmir held during his reign. Rashtrakuta ruler Krishna I built the famous Shiv temple at Ellora. Hori Sen composed the Allahabad pillar inscription. He was the court poet and minister of Samudragupta. Krishna Deva Roy was the author of Telugu work Amukta Malayala. Harappa is now under Pakistan. Kautilya's Arthashastra mainly deals with political statecraft. The greatest king of Patihara dynasty was Bhoj. The kingdom of Magadha I used elephants in wars, and Shah Jahan is also called as Prince of Builders, Engineer King. He built Taj Mahal, Jama Masjid, Red Fort, etc. Indus Valley civilization was the oldest Indian civilization. Aryans were the first to invade India. Nandi Varman to build the famous Vaikuntha Perumal temple at Kanchipuram. Gautamiputra Satkarni was the greatest ruler of the Satavahanas. The land measures of the second Pandyan empire was mentioned in Thalabhaipuram. Copper plates and Kasakuri plates are related to Pallava's dynasty. Uttar Meru inscription is related to Chola dynasty. Rashtrakuta king Krishna I built the Kailashnath temple at Ellora. It is a megalith carved out of one single rock, remarkable example of Dravidian architecture. And Kavi Raj Marga, meaning royal path for poets, was the book written by Amokbarso I, the Rashtrakuta king. The author of Arthashastra, Kautilya, was a contemporary of Chandragupta Maurya. Agriculture was the backbone of Indus economy. Ajanta caves were built during Gupta period. Vishnu Sharma compiled the tales of the Panchatantra. Mahavir is the founder of Jainism in India, 24th and last Tirthankar Mahavir. Okay, Pakistan asked India to return the famous dancing girl statue from Mohenjo-daro in February 2014. It is a 10.8 cm bronze statue which is on display at the National Museum in New Delhi. 6th century BC was an age of religion as ferment, the government of India borrowed and adopted its symbol from Ashoka, the national emblem of India. It is a replica of the lion capital of Sarnath. The original founder of the manuscripts and editor of Kautilya Arthashastra was R. Ramasastri. Ravi Kirtia Jain, who composed the Aihol process, was patronized by Pulakeshin II. The most lasting contribution of the Rashtrakutas, Pampa, Punnaranna, the three writer of Kannada poetry, and Kailash Temple. Kailash Temple is a contribution of the Rashtrakutas. Pulakeshin II was the contemporary South Indian ruler of Harshavardhan. He defeated Harsha of Kanauj on the banks of the Narmada. Megasthenes was the Greek ambassador at the Mauryan court. During the reign of Bindusar, there was unrest at Takshila. Baramir was an ancient astronomer. He was associated with the ruler Jashodharman Vikramaditya of Malwa. Buddha means enlightened one. Lothal, the docked site of the Indus Valley civilization, is situated in Gujarat. Rupiaka coin was issued in silver during the Gupta period. Pancha Siddhantama Baramir deals with astronomy. The earliest settlements of Aryan tribes are at Saptasindhu. In the Rock Edict 13, Ashok mentions about the casualties of Kalinga War and declares the renunciation of war. Rock Edict 13 is the principal source of information of Ashoka's campaign against Kalinga. Ashok spread Buddhism all over India and Ceylon by spending Dharma Muhammad Raj, that is missionaries. The origin of Indian music can be traced to Samveda. The sage who is said to have Aryanized South India was Agastya. He compiled the first Tamil grammar called Agathyam. The term Upanishad literally implies sitting down near. Chinese travelers visited India primarily because they were interested in Buddhism. During the age of the Buddha, the Kshatriyas have a distinct identity. The tribal assembly Samiti was normally involved in the election of the tribal chief. The site of birth, nativity of Gautam Buddha is marked by a Ramayandai pillar of Ashoka. Lumbini is the birthplace of Buddha. Lumbini was known as Rumiyandai in Ashoka's time. The great stupa at Sanchi was built by Mauryan Empire Ashoka. Dhamek stupa in Sarnath is thought to be the oldest stupa in existence. The stupa of Bharut is between Allahabad and Jabalpur. The famous king of Kushan dynasty was Kanishka. The script of the Indus Valley civilization is undeciphered. The capital of ancient Chola kingdom was Uraiyur, Tiruchirappalli. The Sunga dynasty immediately succeeded the Maurya dynasty and ruled Magadha kingdom. The last Mauryan emperor was Brihadratha. Aihol inscription relate to the Chalukya king Pulakeshin II. Match the following Chalukyas: Batapi, Hoysala's Dwara Samudra, Rashtrakuta Malakand, and Kakatiyas Warangal. The Uttarmerud inscription provides information on the administration of the Cholas. Pulakeshin II was the greatest ruler of the Chalukyas of Badami. King Kharbela was the greatest ruler of the Chedi dynasty of Kalinga. The Buddhist monk who spread Buddhism in Tibet was Padma Sambhava. The Sunga dynasty succeeded the Mauryas established by Pushyamitra. The eightfold path of Buddhism comprises right view, right aspiration, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, right concentration. Bardhaman Mahabir is also known as Jaina, means conqueror. From this word that Jainism was derived. Mahabir's first disciple was Jamali. He was Mahabir's son-in-law. Chandragupta I was known as Licchavi Dahitro. Buddha, Dhammo and Sangha together are known as Tri Ratna. The first sermon of Buddha called as Dhammo Chakka Pavattana Suttas. Two main sects of Jainism, Digambara and Setambara. Sects of Buddhism, Mahayan, Hinjan and Therabar. Well-prepared tree fossil supposed to be from Jurassic Age in India is reported from Chhattisgarh, and Milinda Panho is a Buddhist text. Okay, in the next video there are almost 400 plus questions, so please follow the next videos. Thank you.